Renu. You're welcome to Healing Recipes. As we all know, paprika is a very nutritive vegetable. Today I'll make a quick, delicious multi-purpose paprika mixture which can be stored in refrigerator for later use. The delicious paprika mixture can instantly be used for preparing various snacks, meals, or can be used as side dish or just eat as salad. I have taken one red, one yellow paprika along with a green bell pepper and 2 medium-sized onions. The paprika and the bell pepper weigh 400 grams together, as well as the onions also are 400 grams. The spices that I took are only 2 teaspoons of salt, 2 teaspoons of natural red chili powder, it's not hot at all, 2 teaspoons of dry mango powder. You can always use 1 teaspoon of vinegar instead of dry mango powder. I'm going to slice onions and paprika in long thin ribbon shaped. Now I've kept a pan on a medium-high flame, adding all the veggies and the spices to it. Please add 2 tablespoons of water if you find it too dry. Mix well and cover with a lid, and after about 2 minutes, make the flame the lowest possible. After about 5 minutes, stir it once and cover for another 5 minutes. After 5 minutes are over, stir it once, cover and put the flame off. Let it rest for another 5 minutes without opening the lid, without any heat. If you like paprika crispy, then no need to give it any rest. The mixture will be ready in just about 8 to 10 minutes. After 5 minutes of resting time, open the lid. The paprika mix is ready. The paprika mixture is ready to use or store in refrigerator for later use. For making sandwiches, apply hummus, butter, cheese or any sauce of your liking and add some mixture. Sandwiches are ready. On a toast, a thin layer of any sauce or butter, some paprika mixture, add some tofu, paneer or cheese, sprinkle some black pepper. Morning healthy and delicious breakfast is ready to eat. To make a creamy tortilla wrap, I've applied some cheese spread, some mashed potato salad, some paprika mix, and if you want, you can always add some more cheese. And the creamy tortilla is ready to eat. To make a tangy tortilla wrap, I have applied some hot and sour mint sauce, some paprika mix, some boiled peanuts and chickpeas, and little bit of tofu. You can always add blueberries or anything of your choice. On a pizza base, apply some sauce. Spread some paprika mix. Some cheese. Add oregano. Add chili flakes. Keep on a thick pan covered for 5 minutes on a very low heat, and it's ready to eat. You can always add olives or anything else of your choice in this. For making fried rice, I have taken 2 teaspoons of oil in a pan, 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, 1 tablespoon of chili paste, added 3 teaspoons of soy sauce, two tablespoons of paprika mix, add 1 cup of boiled rice, mix well, and the fried rice are ready to eat. You can enjoy the paprika mixture just as salad, along with meals too. If you wish, you can always mix walnuts, peanuts, boiled chickpeas, tofu, paneer, or anything of your liking. The paprika mixture simply enhances the taste of your food. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. See you next time.